Going to be glowing today with baby Serena. Baby Serena is going to glow up. So before you want baby to glow me up, yeah, baby Serena did this makeup for me. In case you want to know if it was baby Serena who did this makeup, if she was my makeup artist, like she was the one who did it, subscribe. And as you are subscribing, bring out your makeup, like and share. Okay. What was that? I think, what have you done to my lips? Say to the audience. Say to the audience. Are we here to sing? We are not here to sing, but here to glow. Before glowing, you need to do me a great favor, please, by subscribing. Okay, first of all, good day, ladies and gentlemen. It's fine. Good day, everybody. Is your Bianca yes. Good afternoon. All the goodies of the greetings to everyone out there. My returning subscribers, I appreciate every one of you. Without you guys, there will be no Bianca girls. You guys rock. You guys rock my world. The person that is about to subscribe now, can you hear the voice? It's so loud. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe. As you subscribe, may God in heaven bless you. But before subscribing, check down my video, check everything. In case you love this channel, subscribe and share to one of your lady. Introduce her to my channel. Tell a sister, and a sister will tell a sister, and another sister will tell a sister. So now, so the gossip did along. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. Today we have a beautiful fall look, just like the dress and I'm putting on, which is nude, but we are going for a fall look that will look good on it. So before going, you know your drama queen, subscribe. Welcome to my channel. We'll glow together. Love you. So as I was saying, forget the dramas. Let's go back to business. So now we'll be using my concealer. I have the makeup guru. As the makeup lover, it's always good you apply concealer or your eyeshadow base, but I don't go with my concealer, or better still my eyeshadow base, but I prefer concealer. I'm going to be using this brush. So this very brush is very good to blend your concealer. So I will just blend everything. Okay, make sure you blend. Don't be lazy when it comes to blending. Makeup is blending. You need to have the power to blend. So if you can't blend, I'm so sorry. You need to blend. You need to blend and be patient. So guys, I will be going to this color here. This one and 2. Okay. So the reason why I always use this color at first, it's just because it's just like a setting powder. The color is just like a setting powder. It worked for me so well, so good. So I really need to use it to fix everything. Then to the second color I said earlier before. So the second color I'll be using it on my outer V here. Okay, so this is what I'll be using for the outer V. Okay, as I said earlier before, don't be lazy, just blend. Okay, don't be in a hurry, darling. Blend. So the next color is this one here. Look like orange. I will be using this thing. We're just gonna brown it up, okay, because it's a fall look. So with this new brushes, I will just go this way on top of my upper crease, and I will take it and blend. So the next color to go for is this orange here, brown orange. Okay, So I'll be going for this brown here. I'm using this brown, this one here. And everything, just use it to blend. Sorry for my light, guys. So that is it. So last to go, I will just tap into my brown. Then I will just tap it this way. Okay, so just tap it this way. Now we are done. So last to go, I'll be tapping in my sharp nude color. Can you even use gold? Can use green? You can use olive green. Any kind of green you want to go for, just to represent the leaf that is green. You know, this very season of fall, you can use green, but I decided to use nude because last time that I did a video like this, I used gold, brown gold, like the brown gold representing the tree. Okay, so now I'm using this nude here. Okay, last thing to go, I'll be using brown here. Okay, you see that? My God, this is beautiful. I'll be using the brown that I used earlier before. Okay guys, for you to follow up, this is the nude I used, this very nude here. Then I use this brown to top it up. Okay, so guys, that is it. Now we have lined the face, my lashes. Okay, so guys, I'm using brown and orange to mix it. Okay, so guys, I had a little bit of gold here. So as I was saying, I had a little bit of champagne gold, but baby is here, you know, I don't want her to form my makeup. So the primer now, I will apply the primer, allow it to set for some minutes, then I will go for the foundation. Okay guys, it's more than even 5 minutes because I went to do something in the kitchen. So today I will be using Dermacool. I don't know if anybody have heard of it. So this is the foundation. It's a bit like yellow tone with my new brush. So these are new brushes. I think I'll be doing a video of how to use brushes on how to get it. Okay, so this is the foundation over here. It's a little bit too yellow, I think so. Yeah, it's too yellow for me, but don't worry. Oh, this brush is just like I said, the thing is. So I'll be mixing the foundation soon with my Maybelline. Because my Maybelline is more darker, so I will use Maybelline to mix it. So this very foundation is a full coverage. It will give you full coverage, believe me. Okay. So but the problem is too yellow. I need to orange. I'm using my Maybelline. You guys know my almighty Maybelline that can mix and mix for me. So I need to still get another Maybelline though. So I'll be using this one to mix it up, so it will give me more full coverage because this is not double foundation. Right, sometimes I don't mix foundation. I'm mixing your foundation is good. Guys, yeah, I was just saying I'm supposed to mix the foundation before starting it, but baby noisy just too much. That is why I use voice cover. Keep watching. Saying it's good you always mix your foundation like before you applied it, but the way I did it now, I thought that I'm dark like before, but I didn't know that my color is still okay even if we're staying in this fall period, like, you know, because of during the summer I was not using my cream like before, but just using my cream once or twice in a week, depends. Sometimes I'm so lazy, I will just apply my face halo. Yeah, like the face is always good. You always keep it you know, cool, hydrate. Okay, always hydrate your face, you know, or the body. Sometimes depends. So I mix the foundation with Maybelline. Sorry for the noise of baby. So mixing it, maybe I may use voice cover. In case I didn't use voice cover, I'm so sorry. So you can see the foundation is a good coverage, but the problem is it's too yellow for me, and the top that I'm putting on, I think this top is a big mess up. Like blending into this place and blending just because of the yellow too much. I need to mix it really good, you know. So now the scent of the foundation is a day. Okay, in case maybe. So to the concealer, make sure you blend your foundation very well. Okay, so this is it. So beautiful. I love it. It's full coverage like a baby. For the concealer now, I will just go this way. Yes, I'll blend everything now with this my new beauty blender. Sorry guys, the light is off because the marine light is a little bit hot, so I just needed to off it now because of the darker shade of foundation. So I'm going to be using my Miss banana powder. This banana powder, I made it myself. In case you want to know, maybe I will leave the link below, because editing down of the video, I'm so lazy. I can't wait for God to just make me go viral, so that whenever we start any money, so we can have somebody that can be doing it for us, okay. So this is the, I'm just going to set it so light. Okay, so that is it. I love the tone, so beautiful. The makeup is so perfect. Alright, always remember to blend everything. Okay, so the next thing is blush. For the blush, I'll be going to this blush over here, like 1 and 2. Then I give a smile and blush 1 and 2. Then I give a smile and a blush. So for the highlighter, I'm going to be using Unexpected Paradise highlighter from Kiko, and this is it. But I'm supposed to fix my lashes now, but I just wanted to, you know, make sure everything is almost ready before fixing my lashes. Okay, so you guys know my highlighter. I love highlighter. So in case you don't love it, just one we are done. But in case you love it like me, I just use it to paint any place you want to use it to paint. You want to highlight, and you need to be, you know, see yourself, see your beauty, reflecting the glory of God in you. You just gotta glow it up a little bit on your forehead, so that whenever you're wearing the wig, your forehead will be reflecting glory and glory. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, this is the finishing of the makeup. Baby is here now. Yeah, I need to go and attend to bed. We love you. Subscribe and share and like. Say we love you. Say we love you. Say we love you. Love you. Subscribe and share and like, and let's go to the glow. Okay, with my channel. Love you.